Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to properly use the DHgate app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using the DHgate app properly helps you shop smarter, safer and more efficiently, whether you are buying jerseys, electronics or running dropshipping hustle. In order to get started with DHgate app, what you need to do is first head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in DHgate, then hit on search. Now once the search results loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list and then simply tap on it. Now, once you're inside the app, in order to download it, simply tap on the Gate button, highlight it in the blue color, and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. Now, once you have downloaded the app, simply tap on Open, and then once you're inside the DHgate app, what you need to do is sign in or create a free DHgate account with your email, Google, or Facebook. Then once logged in, you can use Smart Search by simply tapping on the search bar on the top of the screen and then type in what you need, example custom basketball jerseys, and you can use filters like top rated sellers, free shipping, ships from US or local warehouse. Then you can also use visual search by simply tapping on the camera icon and then upload a photo to find similar products. Now in order to order items, so what you need to do is just simply search for the item or browse through the given items, then select the product that you like. Then what you need to do is check ratings, reviews and seller info. Then check for the customizable options like color, size and quantity as well. Once all you are satisfied, tap buy now or add to cart on the bottom. Then DHgate accepts PayPal, credit or debit cards, Apple Pay or Google Pay, Klarna, Afterpay. Some sellers may accept Cash App with manual coordination, which is not official. You can also track your orders by simply heading over back to your home screen, then tap on the account icon on the bottom right, then you'll find the orders tab. Simply tap on view all and all your orders will be listed right here. Now all you gotta do is select the order and then look for processing, shipped, pending or delivery confirmation, and you can use the tracking number to follow the package via local carriers like UPS, 4PX or Yanwen. Then you can also contact sellers by simply tapping on a product and then scrolling down, and here you'll find the seller's name, and then all you gotta do is ask about sizing, custom orders, shipping times. Always communicate through the app for buyer protection. You can also open a dispute or request refund. If an item is not received or not as described, you can simply head over to your orders and then select the order that you want to dispute. Then select option that says open dispute. Then choose your reason, upload evidence by clicking photos or tracking info, and then request refund or reshipment. You can also customize orders by simply contacting the seller before ordering, providing your customization details like name, numbers or logos, and some listings will have an add note box during checkout. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.